Being a mental health first responder is one of the most rewarding but challenging roles I've ever taken on. When I first started, I thought I had a good understanding of what mental health crises looked like, but I quickly learned that no two situations are the same. It can be as simple as listening to someone who's feeling anxious, or as complex as talking someone down from suicide. Either way, I might be the first person they see when they need help, and that carries a lot of weight. One of the things I love about this role is knowing that I'm making a difference. When someone opens up to me and shares their struggles, I feel honoured. It takes so much courage for people to talk about their mental health, especially when they're in crisis, and to be there in that moment, to be the person they trust. It's powerful. There's nothing quite like seeing the shift in someone when they realise they're not alone. It's like you can see the weight lifting off their shoulders, even if just for a little while. Sometimes it's just about letting them know they're heard, that their feelings are valid, and that there's a way forward. Knowing I've played a part in that can be incredibly fulfilling. But of course, it's not all positive. The hard part comes when you realise that, as much as you want to help, you can't fix their problems. There are times when the person you're trying to help is in a lot of pain, and you can feel their desperation. It can be emotionally draining. You want to do everything in your power to make things better, but there are limits to what you can do in the moment. There have been times where I've questioned myself, wondering if I said the right thing, if I missed any signs, or if there was more I could have done. There are also times when I carry the emotional toll of the job with me. It's hard not to. You hear stories that stick with you, situations that replay in your mind long after they're over. I've had sleepless nights thinking about conversations I've had. It can be a lot to manage, and self-care is essential. I've had to learn to take care of myself in the same way I encourage others to. One of the most important things I've realised is that being a mental health first responder isn't about having all the answers. It's about being present. It's about offering support in the moment and helping someone take the first step toward recovery, even if that step is just talking or feeling safe enough to share their feelings. Sometimes it's about connecting people with the right resources, whether it's a support group, a doctor, or just a trusted friend. Other times, it's simply about being there so they don't feel so alone. In the end, the good moments outweigh the hard ones. There's nothing more rewarding than hearing someone say, "Thank you, I feel better now," even if just a little. It's a reminder that I can make a difference. I can be a part of their healing process,